Alright guys, welcome back. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty clearly. Right now I'm in downtown Atlanta, so I want to take you guys on a little tour. Yeah, see what's up. I figured I can do it before I go into work, so I figured it'd be like some pretty cool footage. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let's see what it's about. Yeah, good old downtown. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So this is kind of new to me too, guys. I haven't really been down to this area. So yeah, we're gonna get lost a little bit and see what it's about. That's the aquarium right there, I believe. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. Hey man, this the longest, bruh. Come on, man. I'm glad nobody ain't. You know what I'm saying? Oh man. Oh, that's dope. Ooh. Oh, that's a cute little couple over there. Little Waffle House. Talk about a place to go for a hangover, man. Woo! State Farm Arena. Oh, coming up on the Benz. Mercedes-Benz Stadium. No, hopefully y'all didn't hear me burp. I'm sorry if you did. Oh man, good old Atlanta, man. Yeah, I've been here since what, 2019, 2020. Yeah. Again, guys, thank y'all for rocking with me. I'm actually going to be dropping this video tonight. I do have another video coming soon. It's pretty much with me having little issues with my Harley, but I was able to go to Harley Davidson and we got it figured out. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for that one.